Welcome to the BariGirls kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Well, today we're making a count with a delicious carrot casserole. It's full of warm fall spices and nutritious carrots.
Carrot casserole is a great holiday side dish that's both creamy and savory with just a touch of sweetness from the wonderful carrots.
Now let's talk about a few facts about carrots. These orange beauties are a root vegetable and they're crunchy, tasty, and highly nutritious.
Yes, they are, Mom. And carrots are particularly a good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and of course, antioxidants. Plus, they're low in calories. You can't go wrong with that.
In addition to all those benefits, this dish has a nice, warm, nutty flavor from the coriander and dry mustard, which adds a lovely background flavor to the cream sauce that you're going to love that's used in this casserole.
Yes, so let's get this casserole started. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 375. We're going to lightly coat our baking dish with cooking spray. And while our oven is going, we're going to chop up some of these carrots, but we're going to chop them up thinly. Add them to a large bowl of water and pop them in the microwave. Why are we putting them in the microwave, Mom?
Well, microwaving the carrots helps get a jump start on the cooking process, and it helps make sure they're cooked thoroughly as well. Now, the carrots should be sliced thinly but evenly. And if you have a mandolin, that would make quick work of the slicing of the carrots. But never fear, if you don't have a mandolin, you can just slice them with a sharp knife, but try to slice them evenly. And we'll pop that in the microwave with a microwave-safe plastic wrap on top, and we'll cook until crisp tender for about 5 to 6 minutes.
Next, we will heat our oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Now, you can either add Cheerios or you can add whole wheat panko breadcrumbs. Now, I mentioned Cheerios because it's a wonderful alternative if you're low on time or low on money. Transfer the mixture to a small bowl. And what else, Mom?
Well, we'll melt the butter in a skillet over medium heat, and we'll whisk in some flour, and we'll stir that constantly until it cooks for about a minute.
Yes.
And then we'll gradually whisk in our milk until this mixture is slightly thickened and creamy. And now we'll add our dry ingredients. We'll add our dry mustard, our onion powder, pepper, and coriander, and we'll stir that. We'll stir it until it's a smooth consistency, and remember to remove from the heat.
Pour half of the sauce into the prepared baking dish. Add half of the cheese and repeat with the remaining sauce, carrots, and if you have a little bit of leftover cheddar. We're going to add in our breadcrumb mixtures or your Cheerio mixtures and the remaining seasonings and salts, whatever you have. And then we're going to do what, Mom?
We'll place that in the oven and bake for about 25 minutes. And then we'll uncover and bake for an additional 10 minutes until the sauce is bubbly and the carrots are tender.
Yes.
We'll remove from the heat and allow to cool for about 5 minutes.
Oh my goodness, Mom. Adding this casserole to your meal and just enjoying great new flavors with your family and friends and, anyone that just wants to come on in. It really does bring people together, especially anything dealing with sweetness, carrots, and creaminess. I am there. Okay, I am there.
There you have it. More new great recipes to keep your family fueled for their active lives.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for healthy, flavorful, fun, new recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.